Ribi odo nga ribi karabik may buro nasa rawadar na madu.
Isambul Nak, and a good afternoon, good evening to you all. It gives me great pleasure to be with you today at this official commissioning of the Nambua Village and Primary School's home system electrification project. I would also like to extend my appreciation for the traditional welcome ceremony that I and my fellow government officials have been accorded this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, the commissioning of this solar home system project marks yet another milestone in the new wave of progress, modernization and sustainable development that has taken place under my government to empower Fijians. Fiji is doing very well, and we've recorded our 7th consecutive year of economic growth and attracted investment all over the world from people who recognize what we've accomplished and who believe in our future potential. It is only fair that the benefits of this economic growth be shared equally with all Fijians, including our rural communities and especially our rural schools. This whole solar home system project is part of this government vision for everyone to enjoy the same services and infrastructure that is found in our cities, in our towns and urban areas. It is our belief that every Fijian is entitled to the same quality of life, regardless of where in our islands they call home. The Nambua Solar Home System project will produce benefits that far outweigh the costs. It has a total cost of $156,000 and was funded by my government. These are the types of investment that my government is confident and will see great returns. I must take the opportunity to acknowledge the work carried out by the contractor responsible for completing installations in good time. This project will make electricity more accessible and provide safe and stable energy supply for the 30 families in Nambua Village and 4 teachers' quarters at Nambua Primary School. Ladies and gentlemen, electricity is essential to modern development, and not just for our livelihoods. Having reliable electricity, in this case from renewable source, means we can make our communities safer and part of the greener development the world is embracing. It means our children will be able to read and study under lights that won't deteriorate the eyesight. We are in the computer and electronic age. Education and science technology have advanced so much that schools are using computers and internet to get information and updates on current events around the world. With a steady supply of power, students here at Nambua Primary School will be able to search through the internet and obtain information relating to modern skills, knowledge, and areas that are of interest to them. With these few words, ladies and gentlemen, I hereby commission. I have great pleasure in declaring the Nambua Village and Primary School solar project open. I thank you. Okay, ready.